Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with Outre Melted Hairline. Her name is Amanda, and I did pick her up in the color 1B. This is the full construction. As you guys can see, it's just a side part with edges. It does have combs and drawstrings at the nape and also an elastic band. So we're gonna go ahead and put this cute wig on real quick. And those curls, baby, don't play with them curls, okay? Don't play. So I am gonna put it on my head to show you guys what it looks like straight out the box without doing any customizations to it. I'm not plucking it or anything, installing her as is. But look at the hairline, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that hairline don't eat. I don't care what your papa say. I don't care what your mama say. Baby, hairline is eating. They did that. But as you guys can see, I'm just parting it to show you guys for a fact that it's just a side part with edges, and it does come with baby hairs. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and take our tinting spray and tint the lace. Like I said, you can't bleach the knots on synthetic hair, so I like to tint it. I'm using my my Kiss lace spray in the shade medium brown. After it's all sprayed up, we're just gonna go in with that hair dryer on a cool heating setting, and we're gonna allow that to dry. Oh, this is what the lace looks like once I've gone and tinted it. And as you guys can see, it looks like the lace tint spray seeped through and got on the hair strands. So I'm just taking my makeup wipe and we're just wiping that off of the hair. I want to go in and kind of make the part look more realistic. I just don't like the straight deep side parts. I always like to oval mine up or round it off. So that's what I like to do. That's just my personal preference. I think it makes it look a little bit more natural. So I'm just going to lightly add some wax to the root of the hair. I love this hair texture because it's definitely giving me like a relaxer blowout. Or if your hair is natural and you just blow it out and you put some curls in it, this is what this wig is giving. So I definitely want the roots to stay with a lot of volume. So I'm just going to lightly hot comb it. I do have my hot comb on the setting of 10. But like I said, be sure not to turn it up too high because your texture of hair can change from yucky to silky very quick. So now I'm taking a pair of shears. I got these from Sally's Beauty, and we're just going to trim off the lace. I'm making sure to cut as raggedy as possible so it won't look too harsh. It will look very much natural. And also when it comes down to the side of my ears so it can fit properly around my ears, I like to make a part and cut directly on the part so it can fit around my ear. So now I'm just going in to secure down my wig using my Kiss lace spray. A lot of you be asking me how I remove this, and I always either use my water for one. If I don't have anything else, I just use water, or I use my Shea Moisture's Bond Release Spray, and I'll have that product linked below, and it just melts this product right off your head, okay, literally. And water does the same thing. So yeah, I'm just adding about 3-4 layers. I'm just gonna wait till it's tacky, and then we're just gonna do our usual normal install. So with this unit, does come an elastic band, so you can wear it glueless if you opt to do that. However, the sides will still need to be secured down because I always feel like with elastic bands, the middle is very much secure, but the sides still lift up. I have my elastic band on and adding spray because like I said, I'm gonna be out and about all day and I don't need my wig flying off, okay? Y'all cannot tell me that this lace is not melting into my forehead. I see why it's called Outre Melted Hairline, because the hairline is hairlining. And like I said, I did not do no plucking. I'm just going in with another layer of security. I'm using my spritz. We're just going to spray some on our finger and pat it into our hairline. Let that dry a little bit, and then I'm just gonna add my elastic band, and then I'm gonna let that sit for about 2 to 3, well no, 3 to 5 minutes. I changed it, y'all. All right, we're gonna remove it and let me show you guys. 𝚑𝚗𝚜𝚒𝚘 melted hairline. Like, look at that. That looks so freaking good. Okay, I wish this was a full lace frontal too. Come on, Outre. Where's our real full frontals? Okay, so like I said, this is a side part, so don't try to part it in the middle because you can't. Don't try to flip it on the other side and the part on the other side because you can't as well. It's just literally a side part, and the side that is on in the video is the actual side, which is on the right side in reality. So I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb and detangle it. Y'all, it was like butter. However, it does feel synthetic-y, so keep that in mind. It does look great, but it still does not feel like virgin hair or natural hair. It feels very synthetic-y. It does have a shine to it as well, so if you want to dull it down, you can use some dry shampoo. I'm not, however. I got a few snags here and there, a minor shedding as well, but look at this, y'all. She is giving what she's supposed to get. So now I'm just going in to do some baby hairs. Like I said, baby hairs is optional. You don't have to do this. I just love being extra when it comes down to my units. So I'm just going to part a little section. And again, they do provide us with baby hairs already. So if you don't know what you're doing, you can just pull them right back out of the hairline and they'll fall back in the same place. Now I'm just putting some gel on my baby hairs, and y'all seen that I went ahead and curled the baby hair so it will be easier to swoop. I kind of struggled this day with my baby hair, so it's not full. I didn't show you guys the full thing, but it still came out cute. So this is pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like it's a cute, fun, end of the summer hairstyle. You can wear it all year round anyway, but if you guys do not like long hair in the summer, you don't like curly hair, I feel like this is a cute unit to pull out to go out and about in these streets. Overall, I'm gonna give this unit a 10 out of 10, y'all. I really love this unit. It was super cute, like I said before. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will have this wig linked in the description section below, and if I don't, please yell at me. I'll put it there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.